Hey everyone! If you are wondering on how to change language and add the language that you want on the Rednote app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the Rednote app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, tap onto the three lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then here you can find the option of settings. Now simply open it. Then tap onto general settings right here. Now here you can find the languages option at the display. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the language option. Now you can see there are only 3 language options and you can only change from one of these. Now choose one and you can simply see the language has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change language in the Rednote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.